Okay, so we're back now and we're on to section 2, interacting with user input. We're going to do task 4, what's your name? So previously we wrote a program that just printed out some variables, and whatever you set the variables to would get printed out. In this case we're going to use the input function, which is a new function that we're covering in this task, which allows the user to type something in. Yeah, and that will then get assigned to a variable if we choose it to do so, and then we can print that out. So it's going to do like a personalized greeting for whoever's using the program. So let's see what that looks like in some code. So first of all, I'm going to have my shell open as normal, and I'm going to have a Python program that I can make a new one. Yeah, don't need that. So let's put that over here. Now, we've got a couple of old concepts, or ones that we've just covered rather, called creating a variable. So name equals, and I could say like this as normal, but we want to use input. Okay, so input. Now, we've got a purple text here, which means it's a built-in function. This will get user input from the user, and it will assign it to using this assignment symbol here to the variable name. So we can use input just like this with nothing in here, but it would be nice to give the person using the program a little prompt for what they want to enter. Okay, so this is going to be their prompt. It's got this colon here, so that when it comes out here, it's quite clear that you want to be typing something. Now, I'm going to say print, and we're going to give them a message. So, hi there, name, how are you doing? Now, what we've done here is we have joined the text together with the variable, but this time the variable is assigned based on user input. Right, so let's run this program and see how it looks on the screen. So I'm going to call this input name, press save, and we're going to run the program. So you'll notice down here that my program is running, and it's kind of waiting here, and this cursor is flashing. So this is prompting me to enter something here before the program can continue. So if I were to type in like this, press enter, then we get a nice personalized message based on what I've typed in as my name coming out onto the shell. So let's run it again. There we go, and we'll go for Mr. Blobby. There we go, and let's run it again. Betty. Okay, and press enter. And then what we're getting here is the input function being used to get input from the user and assign it to the variable name, and to use that variable in this print statement to output a personalized message to the screen. Right, so that's that bit done.